Hi everyone and welcome to my place. If you've got super sensitive skin and you're looking for a nice moisturizing cleanser, I hope you like this, but I've just got to give you a wee tip. Before you put anything onto super sensitive skin, do a wee patch test before you start. And what I've discovered after lots of stinging, lots of burning, is that I can't have any kind of astringent on my skin. So I've had a wee play with this and I'm absolutely amazed at the results so far. You need a little spray bottle, and to just before we go any further, this is what we're going to be making. It is so nice on my skin, and that lasts, this is how much we're going to make, and that will last just on a month. So it's, for value for money, it's really good. And to have skin that's being nourished at the same time as I'm taking my makeup off is fantastic. So you need a little pump bottle, which I have sterilized. I would use a dark glass pump bottle, but I wanted to show you what it looks like, and then I just made it so, you know, I don't know what I'm going on about. Okay, into a glass container, it is two tablespoons of aloe vera juice, aloe vera gel, 2 of those, and then it's 2 of fractionated coconut oil that goes into there. Get off 2 of those, and then the next thing, and all the information of the product that I'm using, I've got a little note there so that you can have a look, but do your own investigation to make sure that it is going to be okay for your skin. And then I've got 1 tablespoon of pomegranate oil. You could use strawberry seed if you wanted to, but I found that the pomegranate has all the properties that my skin likes, and I know that there'll be a lot of people out there saying, you know, you got to eat to have beautiful skin. Yeah, I'm into that, but I've also got to take the makeup off, so this does work. Now, then it's 1/4 teaspoon of vitamin E, and this stuff is like tar trying to get it out, so you just have to bear with me for a moment while I get that out. We might just cut this out so that you don't have to suffer the long time that this takes to get it out. I had thought at one stage that I would use a knife. There it is, it's finally coming out just a tiniest little bit, and it's almost like blacks as like syrup when you take it, you know, when it comes out. So I just don't want to have anything in there, so I don't put anything in. Right, from there, the next thing is 5 drops of frankincense. 5 of frankincense, 5 of rose absolute. And this is like watching, oh goodness me, this is also really hard. But anyway, it's 5. I'm not going to even bother about putting that in at this stage. I'll put it in after because I don't want to bore you with the length of time. And then 5 of Neroli goes into there, gently, just because, yeah, actually the thicker it is, the harder it is to get out, and the rose is very thick. Okay, from there, it's just a matter of, either you can use a whiz or you can use this. I actually prefer to use these. Everything has been sterilized, and it's just a matter of whipping that up to get it to the right consistency that you want to do it. And when you look at this here, which is quite amber in color, and looking at this one here, it's this color way because I didn't put any of the rose absolute into there. And I know that rose absolute is expensive, but 5 little drops goes a long, and one of these wee bottles goes quite a long way. In fact, I am going to use my wee whisk here to just whisk that up. Give that a good whisk to thoroughly blend it into your clean, sterilized container. Put your little funnel into there, and then it's just a matter of pouring that into there. And as I said, I haven't got the rose in there at this stage, but I will get it in there in due course. And it does fill up all of that. Did I put 2 in? Oh, I don't know that I put 2 of fractionated. I didn't. Ah, I need another one of those. But anyway, it's 2, 2, 1. But anyway, the recipe's there. I'm sorry about that, but I've forgotten to put something in. But anyway, give it a go, see how you get on. And if you've got recipes that you've discovered that are really good for hydrating your skin, if you've got sensitive skin, please drop me a line and I'll share it with everybody else. Hope you've enjoyed that. I've enjoyed sharing it with you, and the recipe is there so that you can do it properly. See you again another day.